A simple line drawing of a cityscape instantly transforming into a hyper-realistic night scene with glowing skyscrapers. A photo of a white mug suddenly sporting a vibrant, intricate pattern. An outfit changing from casual wear to wearing a baseball cap and a jacket. What you just witnessed wasn't magic. It's the future of creativity. Today, we're diving into something that's not just a step forward, but a giant leap for anyone who's ever struggled with complex image editing software. Say hello to Google's Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental. This might just redefine how we create and edit visuals using the power of conversational AI. You might be wondering, another AI image tool. What's the big deal? Well, this isn't just another text-to-image generator. Gemini 2.0 Flash lets you talk to your images. You can upload a photo or generate one from scratch and then use simple, everyday language to make incredible edits. And the best part, it's completely free to try right now. To get started, you'll need a Google account. Head over to the link in the description. It'll take you straight to Google AI Studio. Once you're there, make sure you've selected Create Prompt on the left-hand side. On the right, choose Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental and set the output format to images and text. No complicated setups, no hefty subscription fees, just pure creative power at your fingertips. Let's look at some examples that'll show you exactly why this tool is a game changer. Imagine you're designing a logo for a futuristic coffee shop called Cosmic Brew. You've got a basic sketch of a stylized rocket, but it needs to look more polished and integrated into a space-themed scene. I'll upload a sketch to Gemini and type. Transform this rocket sketch into a vibrant 3D model with a plain background. Watch as Gemini interprets my natural language and generates a stunning, fully realized image. It's not just redrawing the sketch. It's understanding the context and adding incredible detail and atmosphere. Now, let's say you love the overall vibe, but want to tweak the rocket's color. Simply type, add pulsing neon lights to the rocket. Just like that, the color shifts, maintaining the style and the rest of the scene perfectly. And finally, turn this into a logo for a futuristic coffee shop called Cosmic Brew. This iterative process, using simple conversation, is where Gemini truly shines. It's like having a design assistant that understands your creative vision in plain English. But we're just scratching the surface. Let's explore another scenario. Imagine you have a photo of a classic vintage bicycle, but you want to envision it as an eco-friendly electric bike of the future. I'll upload that image to Gemini and type. Transform this vintage bicycle into a sleek, modern electric bike with glowing blue accents, solar panels integrated into the frame, and futuristic-looking wheels. Keep the same background and overall pose of the bicycle. Notice how Gemini retains the essence of the original image while completely reimagining its components. The AI understands what a bicycle is and how its parts relate, allowing for intelligent and consistent transformations. Now, let's take it a step further. What if we want to see this futuristic e-bike in a different environment? I'll type. Place this electric bicycle in a bustling, futuristic cityscape at night, with flying vehicles in the background and holographic advertisements on the buildings. Gemini seamlessly integrates the e-bike into a completely new context, even considering lighting and perspective to make it look natural. Try doing that flawlessly in traditional editing software in seconds. Let me switch gears and explore the power of generating multiple perspectives. Say you're creating a 3D character for a game, and you only have a front-facing concept art. I'll upload an image of a 3D character to Gemini and type. Generate a side profile view of this character, maintaining the same clothing, hairstyle, and overall design. Just like that, Gemini gives you a consistent side view. You can then ask for a rear view, a 3/4 view, building a complete 3D model reference sheet with simple text commands. This is crazy, and I love just how simple it is. Let's say I want to remove unwanted elements from a photo. Gemini makes it unbelievably easy. Imagine you have a perfect shot of a serene beach scene, but a rogue beach umbrella is photobombing your otherwise perfect composition. I'll upload it and type. Remove the beach umbrella from the image and seamlessly fill in the background. Watch as Gemini intelligently analyzes the surrounding pixels and reconstructs the missing area, leaving you with a flawless, distraction-free image. It even took the watermark with it. It's like having a magic eraser at your command. And it's not just about removing things. You can also effortlessly add elements. Let's say you have a cozy interior shot of a living room, but it feels a bit empty. I'll upload it and type, add a fluffy Persian cat sleeping peacefully on the rug in front of the fireplace. Instantly, Gemini integrates a realistic-looking cat into the scene, complete with appropriate lighting and shadows. It's like staging your photos with the power of AI. Remember those old black and white photos gathering dust? Gemini can breathe new life into them with its incredible colorization capabilities. I'll upload the image and type. Colorize this photo, aiming for realistic skin tones and accurate colors for the clothing and background. Witness the magic as Gemini intelligently adds natural-looking colors, bringing history to life with stunning realism. It's like seeing the past in a whole new light. For all you aspiring designers out there, Gemini can even help you visualize your ideas with quick mockups. Imagine you've designed a killer t-shirt logo and want to see how it would look on an actual garment. I'll upload both images to Gemini and type. Place the logo design onto the center of the t-shirt with the words "Mix It and Burn" in blue and yellow graffiti below the logo, ensuring the size and perspective look natural. In seconds, you have a realistic mockup, perfect for presentations or sharing your designs. No more struggling with complex design software for basic visualizations. Gemini's text generation prowess extends beyond simple prompts. You can even ask it to create entire visual stories. Click on Visual Story, and Gemini will automatically generate a sequence of images with accompanying narratives, keeping the characters and style consistent throughout. This is an incredible tool for brainstorming ideas, creating storyboards, or even just letting your imagination run wild. I'll take it a step further and ask it to generate a visual story with images for each scene about a crew on the bridge of a spaceship having a conversation on whether to initiate first contact with a civilization in anime style. This looks amazing, but it does sometimes miss on character consistency, but it still gets the point across. It's important to remember that this is an experimental version, so you might encounter some limitations. The output resolution might be lower, and you'll see a watermark on generated images. And like any AI, it's not perfect. Complex edits or numerous consecutive changes might lead to some quality degradation. Plus, Google has some content restrictions in place. But even in this early stage, the potential is undeniable. Gemini 2.0 Flash offers a glimpse into a future where image editing and generation are intuitive, accessible, and incredibly powerful, all thanks to the magic of conversational AI. It's not just about making quick edits. It's about fostering creativity and unlocking new possibilities for everyone, regardless of their technical skills. What are you waiting for? Head over to Google AI Studio, unleash your inner artist, and tell us in the comments what incredible things you create with Gemini 2.0 Flash. Do you think this truly signals the end of complex software for everyday image tasks? Let's get the conversation going. If you enjoyed this peek into the future of creative AI, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mix It and Burn for more cutting-edge tech and creative explorations. And ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next mind-blowing discovery. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next burn.